Now let us learn how to what is the relationship between the volume of a cylinder and a volume of a cone. Take a cone whose height is absolutely same as of a cylinder and whose radius is also of cylinder. Now we are going to fill this cone with some rice, not with the water, because I have made this cone is of paper, otherwise the cone will get wet. ठीक है, तो वी आर गोइंग टू फिल दिस कोन विद द राइस एंड आई एम गोइंग टू फिल इट with 3 times. So one time, this is your one time, and fill it up to brim and pour it into the cylinder. ठीक है, so this is completely fill it up and pour it. It is not completely fill up. Now this is pour it. This is your one time. When we are going to fill it up to 3 times, you will see that it will completely fill the cylinder. That means volume of cylinder is 3 times the volume of cone. See, I am going to fill it second time. Carefully fill it up and pour it so that nothing should come out of it. This is second time. And now third time. See, it is still empty, and this is your third time. Experimentally you are learning what is the relationship between the volume of a cone and a volume of a cylinder. And this is your third time, and pour it here. Yes, see, it is going to be completed. ठीक है, so volume of cylinder is equal to 3 times the volume of cone. यानी कि volume of cone is 1/3 the volume of cylinder. 1/3 of volume of cylinder means it is equal to, and what is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. So how much it is going to be volume of cone? It is 1/3 pi r square h. ठीक है, so you have to remember the formula. Don't commit a mistake. ठीक है, now let's start the exercise and the examples, and you have to do the exercise in your maths one, in which you are already doing the. Now let us do example number 15. It says that the height and the slant height of a cone are 21 centimeter and 28 centimeter. You need to find out the volume of cone. So your height is given to 21 centimeter. Your slant height is denoted by letter L, that is 28 centimeter, and you need to find out the volume. As you know that volume is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. So L square is equal to h square plus r square, because r is not given to you. So your r square is equal to L square minus h square. R is equal to root of L square minus h square. That means 28 square minus 21 square is equal to r. I am using the identity a square minus b square, यानी कि 28 minus 21, 28 plus 21 is equal to r. Root of 7 into 49 is equal to r. Root of 49 is equal to 7, and this root 7 is as it is. That means 7 root 7 is equal to your r. So your volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi is equal to 22/7, r is equal to 7 root 7 का whole square, and height is given to 21. When you are going to solve it, 1/3 into 22/7 into 7 root 7 one time, 7 root 7 two time, and 21. This is 3 7s are 21. This is cancel. So this is root 7 and root 7 is equal to 7. 7 into 7 49. 49 into 7 into 22. When you are going to multiply, you will be getting it as 7546 centimeter square. And it's very simple. You need to learn the tables before you do these calculations, because this chapter is based on the calculations, of course, and on the concept also. Example number 16th, which is very important example. So many times this question has come in the exam. This question says that Monica has a piece of a canvas whose area is given to 551 meters square. She uses it to have a conical tent made with a base radius 7 meter. Assuming that all the stitching margins and the wastage incurred while cutting amounts to approximately 1 meter square, find the volume of the tent that can be made with it. Now the area of the canvas. Now you imagine a piece of a canvas which is in the shape of a rectangle. Now this is a rectangle given to you. This paper is given to you rectangular, and this is given to you 551 meters square. So when area is given to you 551 meters square, and it is also given meter square, this is also given to you in this line, assuming that all the stitching margin and the wastage incurred while cutting amounts to 1 meter square. Since 1 meter canvas is lost, so lost canvas is equal to 1 meter square. So that means area of canvas available for making tent is equal to 551 minus 1 meter square. That is 550 meter square canvas is going to be used to make the tent. Now this area is going to use the canvas. Now when canvas is used, this is the area. This is the area of the canvas. So when this area, when you made a cone like this, that means this 500 meter square is the surface area of the cone. So according to question, area of canvas is equal to surface area of cone, and area of cone is given to you 550 meter square, and the surface area is given to you pi RL, where pi is given to you 22 by 7, R is given to you 7, but L was not given to you. So this is 11 2s, 11 5s, 11 0s. 7 and 7 is cancelled. So your L is equal to 50 by 2. Yani your L is equal to 25 meter. Now you are having your slant height. This is your slant height is with you. And the question is, find the volume of the tent that can be made with it. So volume of tent is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now height is also not with you. Pi is with you, r is with you, height is not with you. So your use the formula L square is equal to r square plus h square. So your h square is equal to L square minus r square, and h is equal to root of L square minus r square. It means root of how much is L? L was 25. 25 ka square minus 7 ka square is equal to h. That means 625 minus 49 is equal to h. This is equal to 576 is equal to h. So your h is equal to 24 meter. So your volume is going to be 1 by 3, 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 24. So 7 and 7 cancel, 3 8s are 8 7s are 56 into 26. We are going to multiply it. You will be getting 1232 meter square. This is very important question. So please mark it. This is important one. Now let's do the exercise 13.7. Question number 1 says that find the volume of a right circular cone with radius is 6 cm and height is 7 cm. So this part is very easy. You can do it yourself. And the second part is also very easy. Question number 2 we would like to do. And this question number 2 says that find the capacity in liters. Now in liters it will make a little bit difficult one. So let's do question number 2. This is the second part we are going to do. Here your height is given to 12 centimeter and your slant height is given to 13 centimeter, and you have to find out the volume. As you know that volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Again r is not with you, so use this formula. L square is equal to h square plus r square. Value of r is equal to root of L square minus h square. That means root of 13 ka square minus 12 ka square. That means 116 minus 14. That means r is equal to root 25 is equal to 5 centimeter. Put the value here. This is 1 by 3 pi r is equal to 5 into 5 into 12. This is 3 4s are 12. This is 22 by 7 into 5 into 5 into 4. Now since you have to find out the answer in liters, so you know that a small vessel whose length, breadth and height is given to you 1 centimeter. Imagine a vessel, बहुत छोटा सा vessel whose length, breadth and height is only 1 centimeter. It can hold only 1 milliliter of water, and 1 milliliter of water is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. That means 22 by 7 into 5 into 5 into 4 into 1 by 1000 liters. Now this is 5 5s are 25, 25 4s are 100, 25 zeros are 40, 4 10s are. So this is 22 by 10, and this is equal to your 2 11s are and 2 5s are. That means your 11 by 35 liter is your answer. Now let's do question number 3 also. This question number 3 says that height of a cone is equal to 15 centimeter if its volume is 1570 centimeter cube. Find the radius of the base. You have to use pi as 3.14. That means your height is equal to 15, your volume is equal to 1570 centimeter cube, and pi is 3.14, and you have to find out your radius. The volume is equal to 1570 into 1 by 3 into pi into r square. R so you have to find out into 15. That means it implies 1570. This is 3 5s. So it is cancelled. So 1570 is equal to 3.14 into r square into 5. So your r square is going to be 1570 divide by 3.14 into 5. When you are going to remove your decimal, this is going to be 100. This is 5 3s are, 5 1s are, 5 4s are, and 314 into 314, and your r is going to be root 100. That means your r is going to be 10 centimeter. And now let us do your question number 4. Question number 4 says that if the volume of a right circular cone of height 9 centimeter is 48 pi centimeter cube, find the diameter of its base. If the volume is given to you 48 pi centimeter cube of height is given to you 9 centimeter, you have to find out the diameter. The volume of a cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. That means 48 pi is equal to 1 by 3 pi as it is, because pi and pi will be cancelled, into r square, and height is given to 9. So pehle pi and pi is going to be cancelled. This is 3 3s are 9, and this is 3 16s are. So 16 is equal to your r square, and your r is equal to 4. So your diameter is equal to double of r, and 2 into 4, that means it is equal to 8 centimeter.